Hello everyone. So as a part of life science, today I am going to cover a part of microbiology and the topic is microbial cell culture. So what is microbial cell culture? Cultivation of microorganisms aseptically or artificially and provide nutrients for rapid multiplication. So for example, I want to cultivate or culture microorganism like E. coli or streptococcus. I'll take a sample of it and culture. Just treat the sample on the culture. Culture means the media having all the nutrients for the multiplication. I take that culture, I'll add the sample and I incubate. Finally, I'll get the cell culture or the bacterial population of the bacteria I have cultured. For example, if I cultured streptococcus, then I'll get the bacterial population of streptococcus after incubation. So that is what microbial cell culture means. So what are the nutrients that we'll add? We can add micronutrients or macronutrients depending upon the necessity of the microorganism. So what are micronutrients? Micronutrients means, as the name suggests, micro, they need or used in small quantities. And here, as the name suggests, macro, they are used in large quantities. So magnesium, molybdenum, copper, cobalt, zinc and nickel are the examples for micronutrients. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, iron, calcium, mercury are the examples for macronutrients. So what are the different types of microbial cultures? To just summarize the complete microbial cultures, these are the complete classification of microbial culture. So we'll go and discuss everything in detail and in brief. The first thing is natural culture. Natural culture means we use all the natural products. That means beef extract or meat or peptone. Peptone is the major ingredient of natural culture. So all the natural products are used as the natural cell culture. The beef extract or the meat, all these are used as the natural culture. Semi-synthetic means semi-chemical or semi-artificial. That means this will have 50% natural and 50% chemical. That is semi-synthetic culture. Synthetic culture means 100% chemical. There is no natural product in this. So there are different types of synthetic cultures like differential culture, selective culture, enriched culture and enrichment culture. So what are this? Differential culture means this culture is used for different purposes. Differential culture is used for different purposes. Different purposes. Like culture of tissues, antibiotics, bacteria, etc. So everything, all different types we can culture in differential culture. Selective culture means selected microorganisms are cultured using selective nutrients. Everything is so selective in selective culture. Enriched media means n number of microorganisms can be cultured. All different types. There can be n number of types and all n number of types of microorganisms can be cultured at once. Can be cultured at once. And what is enrichment culture? Here also n number of microorganisms can be cultured, but this media will inhibit unwanted microorganisms, or you can say Pathogenic. Pathogenic. So enriched media will enable all different type multiplication of all different types of bacteria. Enrichment also enables, but it will inhibit all the pathogenic bacteria or unwanted microorganisms. And coming to living culture. Living culture use the living tissues or living cells. So this is widely used for culturing of virus because virus needs a living host for rapid multiplication or division. So natural culture means culturing the bacteria or microorganisms using natural products. Semi-synthetic means 50% chemical, 50% natural. Synthetic means 100% chemical. Differential culture means used for different purposes. Selective means selected microorganisms using selective nutrients. Enriched means n number of microorganisms can be cultured at once. Enriched means n number of microorganisms can be cultivated, but unwanted microorganisms are inhibited. Living culture means culture using living tissues or cells used for viruses. So that is all about microbial cell culture. I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. Thank you.